Hello Simple Learning family. I got a comment in my short video named Valorant tutorial and Atharv Chaudhary 8070 commented कहाँ से और कैसे डाउनलोड किया. So he is saying that आपने ये गेम जो है कहाँ से और कैसे डाउनलोड किया. So let's tell this. First of all, you need to go to Chrome and search for Google and write there Riot Games, R-I-O-T, Riot Games. Okay, so now simply click on it. After clicking, you will see this link, Riot Games, developer of League of Legends, Valorant. Okay, so simply click on it, click this link, and here you will see. So first of all, you need to sign up to make an account on Riot Games. So here you will see the option written as sign in or sign up. You can simply give username or password, or simply you can sign up from Google also, Google, Facebook. So I have just signed it up and you can see my name Anshul. So now you didn't have to search here for Valorant. So simply scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and here you can see Valorant. So now simply click on Valorant. After clicking on Valorant, here you will see this type of interface. Okay, so now here he is saying that it is saying that play free. Here it's saying that play free. So simply click on play free. Okay, so now here it will come the option, it will give you the option download. So now after downloading you can play the game, but let me tell you something. So it will download a file. So after completing, it will just download the game, and the game is of 33 to 34 GB. Remember this, 33 to 34 GB is of game and 1 to 2 GB extra. It means that you need 35 GB to download this game. Thank you so much.